can you use this soap to achieve a glowing skin or a brighter complexion? First thing you need to do is, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. This is Cynthia YouTube channel where I talk about skincare products and beauty products etc. If you're new in this channel, you're welcome. Please do well to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. So guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about this is Extract Herbal Whitening Soap. If you're currently using this soap and you're not seeing any results, or if you have used it before and you didn't see any results, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you how to use this soap to get a brighter skin and a glowing complexion, and the lotions that you're going to use to get a glowing skin as well, together with this soap. If you have used this soap before, you didn't see any results, or you are currently using it, you don't know the lotion to use, you are not seeing any results, this video is for you. Watch this video till the end. Do not miss any minutes in this video, because I'm going to share with you powerful information, powerful skincare tips in this video. So guys, how do you use this soap to achieve a maximum result? Remember, this is a brightening soap that doesn't bleach the skin. It doesn't give you 2 to 3 shades. It's just to maintain your complexion. I'm going to list out 4 best lotions to use together with this soap. If you have used this soap before and you didn't see any results, or you are currently using it, you don't know the lotion to use, get any of these lotions that I'm going to mention here in this video. Yes. The first lotion that I'm going to mention here in this video is Cure 7 Deep Brightening Lotion or Cure 7 Skin Brightening Lotion. Any of this lotion is very good. Any of it is very nice. Yes, this lotion aims to even out your skin tone. If you're having a dull skin, this lotion helps to even out your skin tone, clears dark spots. Yes, this lotion contains almond oil and other natural oil that helps to nourish your skin, brightens your skin and give you a radiant complexion. If you're looking for a lotion that you will use together with this extract soap, these lotions that I listed out here is the best. It contains carrot oil, papaya oil and almond oil, which helps to nourish your skin. So if you're having dry skin as well, you get this lotion. This lotion is 1 in a million that helps to even out your skin tone together with this soap. So if you have been looking for products to use together with this soap, or you don't know the lotion that you can afford with this soap, these lotions, any of these lotions work the same. Get it and thank me later. These lotions are foreign products as well. They are products made in Paris, so whichever one you get is very okay, though it comes in 5 different types. Yes, but I recommend these 2 types for some of us that having dull skin. Yes, so lotion is very nice to use together with this soap. So that is it. The next lotion I'm going to talk about here is Healthy Glow Body Lotion. This is Healthy Glow Body Lotion. It comes in 2 different types, but I'm going to recommend the black container. Yes, the one that brightens the most. Yes, so this black one is very good. It helps to brighten your skin, evens out your skin tone. Yes, if you're having a dull skin, you can use this lotion and you will see changes together with this soap. Yes. Whichever one you get, if you're having a sensitive skin, is okay. But my best recommendation is the black one, which works more than the other one. Yes, black one helps to even out your skin together with this soap and is a good product, is a healthy product to use. Yes, it won't bleach your skin, but it will glow your complexion, give you that even tone, give you a radiant complexion. It is a mild lotion. Yes, it is not harsh on skin. It is a mild lotion that will even out your skin, clears dark spots on your skin, brighten your skin as well. Whichever one you get is very okay together with this soap. Brighten your skin very well and glows your skin as well. So guys, the third lotion that I'm going to list out here for a brighter skin together with this soap is Valderma Face and Body Lotion. Yes, Valderma Face and Body Lotion. This lotion comes in 2 different types. It is very active, it is very nice, it helps to brighten your skin. If you want to get more brighter with this lotion, you get the blue one, which contains glutathione. Glutathione helps to brighten your skin, give you that a radiant and a glowing skin. This lotion helps to purify your skin as well, brighten your skin, give you an even skin tone. So this lotion with this soap is very active. If you're having a sensitive skin, you can go with the vitamin C. It works very well. Remember, this is a face and body soap which you can use on your face and on your body. Other lotions that I listed out is body lotion. So if you need a face and body lotion to use together with this soap, you get any of these lotions, yes, and thank me later. Both of these lotion from your face to your toe works like magic. It gives you an even skin tone and brightens out your complexion. So that is the essence of using these two lotions, and it's very nice and affordable in the market. So the last lotion that I'm going to list out here is Extract Whitening Herbal Cream. Yes, it comes in two different sizes. Yes, this lotion together with this soap is very nice. Most of us have used this lotion and complained that it darkens their skin. Well, this lotion is for those that have a sensitive skin. If you're having a sensitive skin, you're fair in complexion or you're dark in complexion, you're having a sensitive skin, the lotion and the soap will work very well for you. Yes, it will brighten your skin very well, give you a radiant and a glowing skin. Having a sensitive skin, you're having dark spots on your skin, reactions on your skin, blemishes on your skin, you get the soap and the lotion, extra soap, and whichever size you get, make sure you get the original of this lotion. Yes, for some of us that have used the lotion and it's darkening their skin, maybe you got the fake. Yes, so make sure you get the original of this lotion, use it together and thank me later. Together with this lotion works perfectly. It is a perfect match. Yes, only if you have a sensitive skin, you're fair in complexion or you're dark in complexion, it works like magic. Very nice as well. Remember, this product is a product of Philippines. Yes, together with the lotion is very okay. That's why I recommended these lotions here. These are foreign lotions that will help to brighten your skin if you're having a dull skin. Yes, you use this soap and these lotions that I've listed out. Can you use this soap to achieve a glowing skin or a brighter complexion? First thing you need to do is to pour water on your body, lather the soap on your palm, use it to massage your body from your face to your toes. After massaging your body, rinse off, use your sponge and apply this soap on your sponge, then have your bath. Then after doing this is the first cleansing. First cleansing is to lather the soap on your palm, apply it on your head, just massage it on your body. Then second one is use your sponge, wash off, use your sponge to apply the soap, then bathe with the soap. After that, you rinse your body and use these creams that I have recommended here, and you will see how your skin will glow. You see how your skin will brighten in 2 weeks. So that is how to use this soap to get an amazing result. That is how to use this soap to get a glowing skin and a brighter skin. So that is it. So guys, thank you for seeing my video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.